Hi, I'm Jessica Amir for the Finance News Network. Joining me now from Metro Mining is CEO and Managing Director Simon Finnis. Simon, welcome back.
Thank you very much. Good to be here.
Thanks for coming. So first up, for those new to Metro Mining, can you give us a quick introduction?
Metro Mining is a bauxite-focused company. We're developing a DSO bauxite mine about 100 kilometres north of Weipa on the Western Cape York. So we'll be mining bauxite and sending it to China.
And you've recently announced your FY17 results. What were some of the highlights?
We're not in revenue earning mode yet, so the financials aren't a highlight for us, but we've had a great year. We've raised a lot of money and we've taken over our neighbour Gulf Alumina, which doubled our reserves and resources. So we've had a fabulous year. It's been a real breakout year for us.
Thanks, Simon. Now, can you tell us about your Bauxite Hills Mine in a little bit more detail?
Sure. The Bauxite Hills Mine is a great little project. It's got 92 million tonnes of bauxite reserves, DSO bauxite, which is direct shipment ore. It's a very simple project. We'll only operate during the dry season. We simply take off the overburden, mine the bauxite layer, which is free dig, so no explosives, load it into trucks, haul it to the port, and then we ship it to China via barges and tugs out to ocean-going vessels. So very, very simple project. The market itself is very bullish. We're very, very comfortable with where the Chinese market for bauxite's going, and we're in construction now. We'll be completed that by the end of the year, and then we'll be in production after the wet season next year. So nominally, the first week of April 2018, first ship will leave Skardon River. It's also great to know that it's a long-term mine. We will be there for at least 17 years. We start off at 2 million tonnes, ramp up to 6 million tonnes over the first 4 years, and then run at that for 14 or 15 years. So it's a great little project.
And now to bauxite prices. Have they been really inflated in line with commodity prices?
Look, not as much, and bauxite's quite an opaque market, so it's not visible to the outside world really, and I think the customers probably enjoy that position. But we are seeing increased demand. We do anticipate that the demand for bauxite will double over the next 10 years. All our bauxite goes into China, so we're very, very comfortable with that position. And we would expect to see some price appreciation over time. Very hard to predict, of course, but we would like to see it go up a little bit, and every dollar is cream for us.
And Simon, what about the next 12 months? What does that look like?
Look, next 12 months is really the moment we've all been waiting for. So we're building the mine now. The plan is to deliver that project. The execution phase is very important from a capital construction point of view. It's a very modest capital budget of $36 million. At this point in time, we're on schedule and on budget, and we'll have that built around about the end of November, with some roads and stuff continuing right through to the wet season. And then next year, of course, delivering bauxite to China. That'll be an absolutely fabulous moment for this company.
Well, Simon Finnis, thank you so much for the update.
Thanks for having me.